On this show, we talk about energy, the energy in music, the energy in rooms, the energy we bring into our day. And lately, I've been thinking about how I start my mornings. Because if the energy's off in the morning, it's off all day. That's why I started using Strong Coffee Company. So this isn't just coffee. Their Black Instant Blend, y'all, has organic coffee plus 15 grams of protein, MCTs for sustained energy, and adaptogens like ashwagandha and L-theanine. So you get focus and clarity without the jitters or crash. It tastes like real coffee, bold, smooth, but it actually fuels you. I love that it's quick, convenient, and keeps me sharp whether I'm recording, editing, or planning the next episode of The Sound Around Us. And I made sure to get you the best deal possible. Just go to strongcoffeecompany.com and use promo code SOUND for 20% off any product. That's code SOUND for 20% off. And yes, I earn a commission when you use it, which directly supports the podcast. So if you've been looking for a healthier, more productive way to start your day, this is it. Better mornings, better focus, better sound.
Abla bak da güzel, abla bak da güzel. Ya geçmezse gel.
Abla girer güzel. İki paket kimi biliyor zaten alıyor.
Kanabar temiz, kanabar güzel, kanabar temiz, kanabar güzel. Kanabar güzel, kanabar temiz.
Buyurun, sağa buyurun.
Hoş geldiniz. Buyurun. Abla buyurun, hoş geldiniz.
You know, on the sound around us, we talk a lot about performance, mental, creative, physical, and I've been thinking lately, we upgrade our tech, we upgrade our environments, but, well, we don't always upgrade what fuels us. I recently came across Zivalife, and it's honestly wild. It's a patented microalgae superfood, over 50% plant protein, packed with essential amino acids, fiber, antioxidants, and you only need 1 teaspoon a day. That's it, 1 teaspoon. It supports gut health, energy, skin, hair, the full internal tune-up. What I like about it is this: it's bioavailable. That means your body can actually absorb it. It's not just another green powder sitting in your cabinet pretending to change your life. This is one of the most nutrient-dense whole plant sources out there, and it has the reviews to back it up. If you're going to try it, here's the important part. Listeners of The Sound Around Us get 30% off any product, and that's the highest discount available. Go to Zevo.life and use promo code SOUND at checkout. That's SOUND for 30% off. And just so you know, I do earn a commission when you use the code. So if you grab it, you're supporting your health and supporting the show. Win-win. Now...
Et après, si c'est trop fort, le compteur. S'il est trop fort, vous avez du 10 mois pour expliquer en fait.
Il y en a des...
Bonjour madame.
If you're anything like me, you love a good night out, great music, great vibes, maybe a couple drinks. But waking up the next morning, not always the same energy. That's why I want to tell you about Liquore. Liquore gummies are designed to help prevent next-day hangovers. They combine ingredients like DHM, which helps your body break down the toxic byproduct of alcohol, plus milk thistle, B vitamins, electrolytes, and ginger root to fight fatigue, nausea, and dehydration. Basically, they're made to help you wake up feeling refreshed instead of wrecked. They're fruity, portable, and honestly, just super easy to take. Whether you're heading out to a party or, just relaxing with friends. It's a simple add-on that can really make a big difference the next morning. And here's the best part. I've arranged an exclusive 20% discount for listeners of The Sound Around Us. That's the highest deal available. Just go to liqueur.com and use promo code SOUND at checkout to get 20% off your order. That's promo code SOUND for 20% off at Liquore. If you use my code, I earn a commission, and that directly supports The Sound Around Us, so I really appreciate you. Wake up clear, stay in tune, and enjoy the sound around you.